Okay, so Amrut, talking about what you plan in your day. So tell me three things that is a must do in your daily days. You have you. It's like those three things. Without those three things, you cannot go in your day.
Hmm.
You have them in your day every day. Like three
Wow,
things.
I love this question. The first thing I would highly recommend, and I do it come what may, the first thing when I wake up in the morning is to make your bed. Now, it
Okay.
might sound silly, making your bed, okay,
No.
no big deal. उसमें
Yeah,
क्या
please.
है?
Yeah.
चादर का एक
That's
fold
right.
करना है. But it has got a profound effect on your subconscious mind. It gives a
Discipline.
positive signal to your subconscious mind that this guy is an organized guy. He started a day with a mundane, even if it's a mundane, no-brainer, stupid job. He is not procrastinating it. कि नहीं चल नहाने के बाद करूंगा, शाम को करूंगा. He is a neat and tidy, organized guy. इतने सारे messages आपको जाता है. और the first message that goes because 7 घंटा आप सोए हो, the mind is
Yeah.
blank, yeah, and the first message has to be a positive message. So make your bed. Yeah,
So that is
yeah,
something which most of us neglect. It's like हाँ वॉशरूम से आने के बाद कर लेंगे या अरे
correct,
बाद में करते हैं ना खाना वाना थोड़ा पका लेते हैं
exactly,
एक्सरसाइज के बाद करते हैं
exactly.
you keep postponing it but that is something which matches with the proverb that you mentioned from Atomic
Yes,
Habits. Do
absolutely.
something which you want to postpone.
Exactly.
Yeah,
And I have a habit of reading between the lines, or zooming out from that example and using that idea in other departments of life as well. So when the author says make your bed, he doesn't not only say in literal sense but also in other facets that you also keep your desk clean. The first thing when I enter my office, which is part of my house, I've converted my bedroom into Booklet house. I
yes.
don't open the laptop. I tried to postpone opening the laptop and first clean my desks. कुछ कागज पड़े हैं, पेन इधर पड़ा है, बुक मार्कर इधर पड़ा है, उसको सब चकाचक करके clean my desk and then open the laptop. It also applicable to your desktop page. I see many
Exactly.
of my friends,
I was about
the
to come to
desktop
that.
page is full of files and pictures. It's so it's so cluttered. तो पीछे का wallpaper दिखता नहीं है. It becomes invisible. Yeah. So make your bed is also applicable here. That whenever you download a file or a photo, make sure कि उसी वक्त it should go to the right folder. Howsoever you are tempted, अरे चलना डेस्कटॉप पे सेव कर दे, बाद में देखते हैं. वो बाद में देखते हैं is very very dangerous. वो बाद में कभी नहीं आता है.